Above all powers, above all kings, above all nature and all created things, above all wisdom and all the ways of man. You were here before the world began.
Ito pala ang cross, lubos mo ang kalibutan.
Above all kingdoms, above all thrones,
Pabilin ka mo dinhi og pagtukaw, ug sa nakalakaw siya jutay sa unahan. Siya mihapa sa yuta og nagampo, nga kon mahimo man ilikay unta gikan kaniya ang maong takna sa kasakit. Ug siya miingon, Amahan, ang tanang mga butang mahimo mo, kuha ka nako kining upa, apan dili sumala sa akong pagbuot, kundi sa imo. Ug siya miadto pag-usab ug iyang nakita sila nga nagkatulog. Ug siya miingon kang Pedro, Simon, nakatulog ka ba? Dili ka ba di ay makatukaw usa ka takna? Pagtukaw o pag-ampo kamo aron dili kamo mahidukinas ngadto sa panulay, sa pagkatinuod ang espiritu andam apan luya ang lawas.
above all powers, above all kings, above all nature and all created things, above all wisdom and all the ways of man. You were here before the world began. Above all kingdoms, above all thrones, above all wonders the world has ever known, above all wealth and treasures on earth. There's no way to measure what you were. Crucified, laid behind a stone, you lived to die, rejected and alone, like a rose, trampled on the ground, into the thought of me above all. Above all powers, above all kings, above all nature and all created things, above all wisdom and all the ways of man. You were here before the world began. Above all kingdoms, above all thrones, above all wonders the world has ever known, above all wealth and treasures on the earth. There's no way to measure what you were. Crucified, laid behind a stone, you lived to die, rejected and alone, like a rose, trampled on the ground, into the fall, and thought of me above all. thought of me above all, like a rose trampled on the ground.